Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're smoking a brisket, so season her up. Beaumont spice, all right, all over. Salt, be generous with the salt all around. Fresh cracked pepper, put all sides.
So this is a brisket flat.
Salt everywhere.
There's the smoker. Temperatures there were almost at 200. There's the brisket all seasoned up. So the temp we want is 225. Let's open it up and toss our brisket in. Brisket's in there, and there's the dirt tray underneath.
So our brisket's been going for 4 hours. There's Mr. Brisket. See the tenderness of this thing. Yeah, she's gonna be a while. Yeah, another couple hours, then we should be good. Pull out our beef brisket. Should be ready. I know, it got dark. It's been smoking all day. Oh wow. Oh. So there's juices here, so you want to save that. All right, we're gonna take the juices out and pour that back onto the brisket. So come back and I'll show you the brisket. If I had another hour, I'd do it, but it's getting so late, so all good. The reveal with the brisket. So I have a nice, I'll show you a close up of it, but it has a nice bark on it. A little softer, but it's very nice. Or sorry, this half is thicker and then the other half is a little thinner. So of course the thinner half will be more tender than this half, because that's the way it kind of cooks, right? So as I said, if I had another hour, I would have done it for another hour, but you know what? It's Beaumont's first brisket, so we will improve. I'll do an updated version of on another brisket because the smoker's not going anywhere. Let's cut into this. Oh yes, and it's very important to let your brisket rest for about like 10-15 minutes. And if you have longer, rest it longer, be good. The brisket. Let's carve into this thing because I'm hungry. There's one piece. Cool. So it's quite tender, which is what we want. Very juicy. It smells amazing. Oh, smoked flavor all day. Juices from your pan, just kind of toss them all in there. Yeah, so this one went close to 6 hours, and it's a 4-pound brisket. As I said, had some issues with the temperature. Sometimes takes a while to get the right temperature on your brisket, so mostly 225. Near the end it was about 250. So brisket. Let's give this brisket a try. It's quite tender. Wow, very good. Really good result though. So but the secret with the smoked brisket is low and slow for a long time. What I learned today is between like 225 and 250 is perfect. But you want to be careful on how many times you open the smoked brisket. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya, and we'll see you soon. Wait for the next video. We're gonna smoke a pork butt, a pulled pork, and we're gonna smoke the pork butt the same way as this. But I learned from today is when I start smoking something, I have to start earlier in the day, so it'll still be light out, so I can still film and stuff. Because trying to film in the dark, well, that's somewhat challenging, but it can be done. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.